How to stop snoring naturally. Millions of people find themselves struggling to get a decent 8 hours of sleep. As a matter of fact, we are the most sleep-deprived country. So why is it that people are sleep-deprived, and how can we learn how to stop snoring naturally without spending our money on expensive surgery? We want to reveal how to get a better night's sleep, so you can begin to feel better in the mornings. Pay attention to the pillows you use. If you find yourself snoring, it could be the type of pillow that you are using every night. Many pillows can produce a kink in your neck and will make it impossible for the air to flow freely through your airways. If you find yourself with a pillow that is causing your neck to kink up, it is time to throw away that fluffy pillow you love. There are pillows that are designed exclusively for people who suffer from snoring problems. They are made to cushion the weight of your head properly and allow the necessary air to flow through your air passages. It will elevate your upper body in the right proportion to allow you to sleep better. You can easily find these pillows at your local retail store, or you can even purchase them online. These pillows will cost you about $50. However, they will last you for a couple of years without having to purchase another one. When you notice your pillow not providing the support that it was meant to, it is time to throw that pillow and get a brand new one. Avoid drinking alcoholic beverages at least 3 hours prior to your bedtime. That is right, if you enjoy drinking a nice cold beer after a hard day of work, you will want to drink it in enough time before you lay down for the night. Alcohol acts as a relaxing stimulant, and if you drink it right before you lie down, your muscles behind your throat will become too relaxed, and that is what produces the loud noises that cause everyone to stay awake at night. Another thing that is important to change is to stop eating right before you lie down to sleep. If you eat before you go to sleep, then you will find yourself struggling to stop the sounds that have been causing you to sleep peacefully. You also want to avoid waking up during the night and eating snacks. Eat all your meals at least 3 to 4 hours before falling asleep. You can begin taking natural steps to improve your sleeping patterns. If you are ready to find out how to stop snoring naturally and do not want to get the expensive surgery, there are steps that you can begin taking today to fall asleep better and wake up feeling more refreshed. Visit our site below to get all the natural methods that are proven to permanently stop your snoring problem. These methods are proven to work, and the best part is that you can begin utilizing them today. Thank you. Like and subscribe.